Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, and that is energy in simple harmonic motion. Clear? Here we find out drive the expression for the energy of a particle that is in simple harmonic motion. So first of all, definition: energy of a particle executing in simple harmonic motion, that is your SHM. The energy of particle executing SHM at any instant, yes, this is very important, at any instant, is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle at that instant. It means that here energy of the particle is equal to the kinetic energy plus potential energy. So student, first of all, here we find out the expression for your potential energy, or find the value of the potential energy of the particle that execute in SHM motion. So first of all, let us consider that O, that is the mean position of the particle, and this particle execute and it move through a distance, that is your x, and come to the point P. Clear? Here the displacement is your x. Clear? And the mass of the particle is equal to capital M. Clear? So here student, if the particle is further moved from P to Q through a small distance dx, then here we are able to find the work done when the particle moving a small distance, that is your dx. Clear? So here student, consider a particle of mass m executing SHM along a straight line, and the particle displaced through a distance, that is your x, from the mean position to P. Clear? Here student, you know that the acceleration of the particle, that is A, is equal to minus omega square x. Clear? Now the restoring force acting on the particle, that is F, is equal to ma. So this is your equation number 1, and this is your equation number 2. Now put the value of 1 in 2. It means that F is equal to minus m omega square x, and this is the value of your force. Now student, let the particle is displaced through the small distance, that is your dx, from P to Q against the restoring force. Yes student, restoring force to come back this particle to their mean position, but now you displaced the particle against the restoring force. It means that here we calculate the work done. So work done is equal to dw is equal to your fd x with the dot product. So this is your f dx cos of theta. Against, it means that angle is your 180 degree. So here theta is equal to 180 degree. So dw is equal to f dx cos of 180 degree. So student, dw is equal to f dx and cos 180 degree, that is your minus 1. So dw is equal to minus f dx, and this is your equation number 4. Clear? Now put the equation 3 in equation 4. So dw is equal to minus m minus omega square x dx. Clear? So minus minus plus dw is equal to m omega square x dx. Clear? Which is the value of your work done on the particle to displace it through a small distance, that is your dx. Now student, we want to calculate the total work done when the particle is displaced from their mean position, and at mean position x is equal to 0 to the point P. and P point, that is x is equal to x. Main position distance is your 0 and at P position distance is x. So integrate, this is your equation number 5. Now integrate this equation. So dw is equal to integration m omega square x dx. So this is your w and m omega square यहाँ पर x dx, and limit approaches from your 0 to x. So student, this is your m omega square x raised to the power 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Limit approaches 0 to x. So m omega square, and this is your x square upon 2, 0x. So m omega square upper limit minus of your lower limit. So it means that value of w is equal to half m omega square x square. Half m omega square x square, and this is your value 6, equation number 6. So potential energy of the particle executing SHM at a point P is given by, or work done is stored as a potential energy of the particle. It means that potential energy is equal to your W. So potential energy is equal to half m omega square x square. So student, by this way we can calculate the value of potential energy. Now student, kinetic energy, and you know that kinetic energy is your half mv square, and you know the value of v square, and value of v is equal to omega a square minus x square. A square minus x square under root. So when we find out the square of this term, it means that kinetic energy is equal to half capital M omega square a square minus of your x square. So student, this is the value of your kinetic energy, and this is your equation number 7. So total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, and value of your potential energy is your half m omega square x square, and kinetic energy, that is your half m omega square a square minus of x square. So when we open the bracket, so half m omega square x square plus half m omega square a square minus half m omega square x square. Both of these terms are cancelled out. It means that